How to draw a lemur. Start with drawing a small-sized circle. Draw 2 more circles for the eyes. Then draw the eyeballs. Draw the head as shown. Then draw the eyebrows. Draw the ears. Draw the hands as shown. Then draw the legs. Draw the tail. Then draw the lines as shown. At last, color the lemur. Here is the finished drawing of the lemur.